Hello, this is Tibor from Boomla. We are going to look at the designer panel of the Boomla Visual Designer. So let's open the designer and select an element. And there you go, we have the designer panel on the right. It has four main parts: classes, states, library classes, and styles. Let's look at classes. Classes are what you're applying your styles to. So you're not really styling the elements directly, you're applying the styles to the classes, and then those classes are applied to multiple elements. Now it's the developers that define what kind of classes are on the elements, so those will be listed here. And to figure out if the class you're styling right now is applied to a single element or multiple elements, you can just click them and you will see that the elements that have this class will be highlighted. So this one is only applying a style to a single element. Let me show in sizing and rounded maybe. And the other one is applying the style to all of the elements. Okay, so these are classes. Then there are states. States are basically, well, there are the base states, which is the base state always exists. So you can apply styles to it, and then you can use other states to override the base styles. So for example, these base styles could be, these states could be hover states or other interaction states by the user. It could be responsive styles, like based on the screen size, you could apply different colors or whatever you want, and etc. There are various more. You can follow the link in this pop-up here to find the documentation on what you can use. This is the hard part. Usually you're going to stick with the available states most of the time. So for example, you can see the menu has this hover state at least. So if we click on one of the menu entries, you will find that if you go to this other class, it has quite a few states. So you can select those states to style them. All right, so these were the states. Library classes are reusable styles. So let me go to the contact form and select this button here. Now it looks like a button because it has these reusable styles, these button styles applied. So this has a button base class, a button size, which is button medium, and the colors are coming from button action. If I remove these, you will see that the button will look like, you know, something unstyled. So it looks like a button because it is wearing those button classes. Let me add them back: button, button medium, and button action. Now we have a button. Okay. So these were the library styles, and there are the styles, which are the individual style properties. There are about 100 of them, so that's why they are grouped in various categories. And the ones that are defined are always visible, and the ones that are not are hidden. So for example, if I wanted to see all the text styles here, I would have to click this plus or just the heading of it. So let me just click it, and that would reveal all the options. It is always like when you click around, it will only show one group in full, like an accordion. Okay. Yeah, so that's the big picture of the designer panel. Yeah, thanks.